Putting all the confirming indicators in alignment allows the candlestick investor to identify high probability reversal situations. As we saw in the past couple of days in the Dow, there was a strong morning star signal yesterday and a close above the T line. This would have provided a good probability that we were in an uptrend, except for one factor. The stochastics were still kind of in a downward direction and not in the oversold condition like they were down here. This would have led to a little bit more suspicion and required bullish confirmation today to tell you that there had been a reversal. The fact that they sold this off was not surprising. There was probably some profit taking initially, but the overall trend had not had all indicators confirming that a reversal had occurred. The simple concept of using the T line to show whether a trend reversal has also been confirmed can easily be seen in our short position of away. Notice that even when there were some buy signals here, it couldn't close above the T line. There were some buy signals here, but it couldn't close above the T line. Is this still a good short position? Well, one of the more obscure candlestick signals is what we call a falling three method, where they took it down and for the next 3 days they couldn't get it back up above where they opened this position. Today they opened it lower and took it down and closed it below that last candle, which is a good strong implication there is still more downside to this trend. The recommendation to short Juniper, JNPR, was very simple. We had a bearish engulfing signal at the 50. It came back up. We had another bearish engulfing signal at the 50. And notice that it hasn't been able to close back up above the T line. This one we want to continue to stay short until we see a candlestick buy signal and a close above the T line. However, right now, notice that they close this back below the lowest level before, which means this is not acting as a support level. So using candlestick signals, we can very easily see what's going on in investor sentiment. This is a left-right combo, which is a very strong sell signal. Even though it's occurring down closer to the oversold condition, it's also occurring at a support level and telling us that there isn't any support here. There's probably more downside. Using candlestick analysis uses very simple rules of what's going on in investor sentiment, and it allows an investor to take that information and use it to their advantage to be in high profit, high probability trades. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.